How do gas giants differ from ice giants? Imagine standing on a tiny planet, looking up at a massive, swirling world that seems to stretch forever. That's what it's like to think about the giant planets in our solar system. But not all giants are the same. Some are mostly made of gases, while others have a different mix of materials. Let's explore what makes these planets unique and how they differ from each other. First, the gas giants are Jupiter and Saturn. These planets are mostly made of hydrogen and helium, which are the lightest and most abundant gases in the universe. Over 90% of their mass is these gases, forming huge, thick atmospheres that cover their entire surface. Beneath these atmospheres, they have small rocky or icy cores, but most of their volume is filled with metallic hydrogen. This is a special form of hydrogen that acts like a metal under the extreme pressure deep inside these planets. Because of their massive size and gaseous makeup, gas giants have very thick atmospheres that can stretch thousands of miles into space. Jupiter, for example, is so big that over 1,000 Earths could fit inside it. In contrast, ice giants are Uranus and Neptune. These planets have a lot more of the heavier elements like oxygen, carbon, nitrogen, and sulfur. These elements form what scientists call ices, which are actually volatile compounds like water, ammonia, and methane. These ices freeze at relatively warm temperatures compared to the deep interior of the planets. Ice giants have thinner outer layers of hydrogen and helium, but their interiors are filled with large mantles of compressed ices and rocks. This makes their internal structure quite different from the gas giants. Their cores are larger proportionally and made of solid rock and ice, giving them a different kind of internal makeup. The atmospheres of ice giants also look different. They tend to be less cloudy and have a bluish-green color because of the methane in their atmospheres. Their atmospheres contain less hydrogen and helium compared to gas giants, which influences their appearance and chemical makeup. Size-wise, gas giants are much larger. Jupiter and Saturn are significantly bigger than Uranus and Neptune, though the latter are still bigger than Earth. Understanding these differences helps scientists learn how planets form and evolve. It also helps us understand what kinds of planets might exist around other stars. Recognizing the unique features of gas and ice giants allows us to better study the diversity of worlds beyond our own.